Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. Guys, remember yesterday Umpumelelo posted a picture of him and his kids, and where he was saying that abantu abakhe bengafingi indlala yena ekhona wara that whole thing, right? So someone commented wathi yena that means you won't support your kids because umama wabo decided ukuyoshada, since he was saying ukuthi abantu abakhe bengafingi indlala ekhona. So then someone was saying ukuthi okay, most abantwana bazofanga indlala, does that mean ukuthi you won't support them because umama wabo uhambe wayoshada? Then Umpumelelo responds and says it's not umshado ukuthi we can't get hold of them. It's been a month or two. So he's basically saying that it's not about Uvuyo getting married or eshada and all that. It's just that they haven't managed to get hold of Uvuyo, and it's been get hold of the kids, and it's been a month or two, right? So someone took this comment via Nayo Facebook and said Mpumelelo commented in one of the posts here saying he can't get hold of Vuyo and kids. It's been 2 months. I'll advise he go to children's court. He will win it. Yo, some people are so naive, guys. Abanye abantu abazi nix. Does this person even watch his Ingane Zesthembu? Okay, let's start here, right? So this person is saying that Umpumelelo agaye enkantolo just because he hasn't seen his kids for the past 2 months or 1 month. So agaye enkantolo Umpumelelo, he will win the case. Guys, it doesn't make sense because abahlawulwanga abantwana laba abahlawuliwe. Remember ukuthi someone on one of Mpumelelo's posts did comment what khona, why haven't you hlawulat abantwana, right? Umpumelelo was like umhlophekazi ngumhlophekazi mseleku, you get it, but he didn't really specify ukuthi bahlawuliwe or what. And anyways, if umhlophekazi ehlawuliwe, that means the younger unzulu akahlawulwanga, right? Just because Umpumelelo was busy, and ube busy Umpumelelo ehlawula nalama virgin ase aphuma empilweni zabo eke ukuhlawula ingane. And another thing is, guys, what is 1 month of Umpumelelo not seeing his kids? When remember kudlala Ingane Zesthembu ukuthi when he went to see uTirelo, it was in February, right? And uTirelo was saying ukuthi I last saw Umpumelelo last year in October. That's November, December, January. That's like 3 months, a full 3 months engabona nguTirelo. Manje ukhala ngo 1 month. No, he's just lying. He is just trying to be ufuna nje ukuba, I don't know which word to use. Now he's trying maybe to annoy Uvuyo. All of a sudden nasengofuna uhlale bona ingane, but when they were still dating, he was not giving the same energy. Please Umpumelelo, guys. And anyways, isn't Usabelo uhlawulile ingane? So now futhi shame, guys. I feel sorry for Ubaba Mseleko, because maybe Ubaba Mseleko is the one who's pushing for ukuthi babele access on ingane, but now I'm like, why bengazihlawula? Is it even possible for ukuthi Umpumelelo azihlawule ingane zibe sezihlawuliwe ngusabelo? Is it possible ukuthi ingane zihlawulwe ngoba abayi-2? Hey, I don't know. Please let me know on the comment section. Is it possible ukuthi Umpumelelo ayohlawula ingane yet zona sezihlawuliwe vele ngusabelo? But anyways, my point in this whole thing is that Umpumelelo is just looking for attention on Uvuyo. Maybe akakholwa nje ukuthi hey khona indoda ebone Uvuyo yambona emuhle, worth to be married sibili, worth to marry, worth to ukumkhokhela ilobolo. I think he just can't believe this. Yikho nje esiza nezitori nje ezibhedayo. Guys, because it doesn't make sense. He has stayed for like 3 months without seeing his kids. Now ukhaliswa 1 month. Hayibo. Has he even made an effort, like a proper effort? Because guys, lemazi Umpumelelo, we have seen him on the show. He is very arrogant, Umpumelelo. Remember when he was saying ukuthi yena aka understand ukuthi umuntu uyazonda aze akublock. Hayi, if umuntu ezonda aze akublock akahambi, we cannot work things out. That time umuntu uyazonda when he was wrong. He was wrong that time. Wrong enjalo sekumele ke abe yi-victim yena. Right now he's playing the victim card. He is the wrong one in the acrimony. And now ufuna ukuncengwa kuncengwe yena. Usefuna manje sympathize la sithi Nkosi yami ingane usakwazi ukuzibo. Yo, never. We'll never do that. They must do the right thing. If kumele bahlawule ingane bayohlawula ingane, or rather acele nje abazali bakhe kube yibo bamkhulumela lo Vuyo ukuthi abone ingane and all that, because to be honest he did wrong. Umphambanisile uVuyo kakhulu, yazi umuyisela isidima sakhe kuningi guys, kuningi. Frustration kaVuyo when it comes to Mpumelelo, I completely understand it. He can maybe have a relationship, maybe athi abadala babe ne relationship so that they can, you know, they make arrangements on how he's going to be seeing his kids and all that. Hayi le ukuthi uzabe buya ku social media ezoceba ke manje ukuthi uVuyo doesn't want with the kids. Anyways guys, please do let me know what you think on the comment section about this whole thing. See you guys on my next one. Bye.